What it do, guys? Welcome back to Flowing Connections. I am sending you peace and love, and today we are going to get into a soulful self-care flow. You're going to begin in a child's pose. Here I'm hugging my knees, bringing my head to my mat, and in this pose you're just going to take a few deep breaths, bringing attention to your body and every sensation that you feel and connecting them with your breaths. We're going to get on all fours and begin cat-cow pose. Here in cat-cow, you're bringing focus on your spine and bringing the focus on the connection of your body to the world and the earth beneath you. Going at your own pace, you can take 5 to 10 breaths in this pose. Step your right foot to your right hand and bring your hands into your front or your knees for a low lunge pose. I just love the view. Come to the side in a side angle pose, and you can stay there for about 10 breaths. Standing at the front of your mat with your feet and your legs together, bend your knees and sit your hips into a chair pose. Reaching your arms forward and relaxing your shoulders. At your own pace, you can stay here for 10 slow breaths and move into a forward fold. In a forward fold, release your upper body and move forward towards your hips, bringing your chest towards your knees. Step back into a plank pose. Then lower down to your stomach into a cobra pose, and we're going to move into a lotus pose. This is boat pose. And from boat into locust pose. Take 5 deep breaths into your chest and then lower back down, and you can repeat this 3 to 5 times. To end your session, you're going to lay in prone corpse pose. Relax here completely. Return into a child's pose, hugging your body and bringing your session to a close.